Hi folks, the Madman here. What you see in front of you is a Commodore 64. It's a piece of history. It's actually a Commodore 64 personal computer, C64C. Apart from a little bit of yellow, which I'm sure something called retro break to sort out, it's actually in really good condition, but it was given to me non-working. Excuse the noise from upstairs, there is any of my family's milling about. You can see I've only recently unpacked it, but given to me non-working, but I got curious about it because these days most people don't have analog TVs anymore. And Commodore 64, unless you've got a Commodore monitor, it doesn't have a digital output. I suppose it does have a source, but it doesn't have one. But so this is apparently non-working, but watch this. So let's get the menu up. Right, just watch this. Go to manual search. It's a bit tricky to do looking at it and looking at it through the camera at the same time. If I go to manual search and just press that, actually that way. That's a pain in the backside. Go to my search, press that, press that, and that. Watch this. Hee. There we go. That screen's a wee bit fuzzy, but that's because my cable's not the best. Yeah, my cable's a bit broken up, but yeah, there we go. So, non-working Mars. It's working beautifully. Well, I'm not getting software to test me yet, but yeah, it boots up every time. Let's see if I can remember some commands here. Core 5 maybe. New. Syntax error. Core 1 0. Nope, I can't remember any of my Commodore commands, but I'm sure someone will. So I've got no use for a Commodore 64. I've got a BBC B as well, which I'll show in a minute, and I really am fond of the BBC B. I'm looking for a BBC Master as well, but this, I've not really got a use for it. I just don't. So I should really do something to fix that cable. I could probably fix that cable in a few minutes, but yeah, I think it's just loose. Oh, I can't remember any commands here. 881 new. I wonder if it's color. 81. No. You can't remember anything. I'm a bit rusty. I need to look back at the manual. See, but yeah, I don't have a use for this. No, I'm sure someone out there will, so I'm going to stick it on eBay, but I'm not out to rip anybody off, so I'm going to stick this on eBay tonight for about 20 quid. That'll cover the cost of getting some repair parts that I need for my 1984 Starforce that I've got, which I'll show in another video, and possibly the memory I need for my bomb jet board as well, which I'll also show. But for a minute, bye for now.